Welcome to Spiedel's California Minute. I'm your host, Catherine Zidane, and this week we're covering the top reasons for e-file rejections for business and individual returns. Spiedel's quarterly tax update webinar will give you all the news you need to keep your clients current, as well as new tax planning strategies to minimize taxes. You can sign up for 1 year of live updates or a single session at caltax.com under webinars. At a recent FTB presentation on the e-file program and substitute forms, the FTB reported on the top reasons why e-filed returns were rejected during the 2022 filing season. For business entity filings, the 2022 filing season saw 38,000 rejections, which compared to last year's 36,000 is an increase of 6%. The most common issues for business entity returns were the following. The state return version that was filed did not match the FTB's version of the form. When this occurs, you should contact the software provider to resolve the error, but the FTB recommends verifying that the most recent version of the forms are available in the software before filing. The return will be rejected if it did not include a Secretary of State registered number or a reason why a number was not applicable. Beginning with 2022 returns, entities are no longer able to e-file or make payments using their EIN. They're required to use their Secretary of State registered number or FTB supplied partnership number. If the federal return version that was filed did not match the IRS version of the form, it will be rejected. Again, you'll need to contact the software provider to resolve this error. Form 100S, Schedule Q, Question C, requires a business activity code to be entered. This line cannot be blank or it will be rejected. The number entered has to be a valid 6-digit principal business activity code as listed in the Form 100S booklet. Similarly, Form 568, Question J, requires a valid 6-digit business activity code to be entered. For individual and fiduciary filings, the 2022 filing season saw 248,000 rejections, which is down 50% from the 495,000 rejections in the prior year. The most common issues for these rejected returns were the following. If the primary taxpayer's submitted prior year AGI doesn't match the FTB's records, the return will be rejected. The taxpayer can log into their MyFTB account to verify their prior year AGI or e-file by signing Form 8453OL, California Online E-File Return Authorization for Individuals. Duplicate return rejections are caused by the taxpayer's Social Security number matching a previously accepted return without the superseded return or amended return box being checked. In cases where the spouse's submitted prior year AGI doesn't match FTB records, the return will be rejected. Again, the taxpayer can log into their MyFTB account to verify their prior year AGI or e-file by signing Form 8453OL. Duplicate return rejections can also be caused by the taxpayer's spouse or RDP's Social Security number matching a previously accepted return without the superseded return or amended return box being checked. The last reason for rejection is when the EFIN is not recognized by the FTB as an authorized e-file provider. Spiedel's online research package will help you solve any California tax problem anytime with access to all Spiedel newsletters, plus the analysis and explanation reference guide, code, regulations, tax agency resources, and more. For details on a subscription, go to caltax.com and click on Publications. That's all for this week. Join us next time for another episode of Spiedel's California Minute.